Hello traders and welcome to Profirm Pilot. I am Avinash and in today's video we are going to have a side-by-side comparison of two-step challenges of Finotive funding, Blueberry funded and instant funding. We'll look at how their evaluation phase work, the key rules, profit split and other important features so you can see which one fits your trading style and your psychology the best. If you are thinking about joining a prop firm, this straightforward comparison will help you choose it wisely.
Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. 99% of traders lose money. Do your own research before making any trading decisions.
So let's dive in. At first, I'll be searching for prop firm pilot. So this is the first result and it is our official page. So this is the brand new page of prop firm pilot which you can use to compare your prop firms and get a detailed idea that which one is the best for you. Now let's start the comparison. So I'll scroll and select Finotive two-step challenge. At the second position, I'll be searching for Blueberry funded and I'll be selecting the two-step. At last, let's select the instant funding two-phase. Let's remove the last one so that we can have a clear view. Now let's start the comparison. At first, let's talk about the establishment of these three prop firms. Finotive is based in Hungary, while Blueberry is in St. Vincent and Grenadines, while Instant Funding is in St. Lucia. Talking about the year of the establishment, so Instant Funding and Finotive is based since 2021 and Blueberry seems to be a little new. Now let's talk about the profit target. So in Finotive, you have the profit target of 7.5% and 5%. Then in Blueberry funded, in the first phase you are going to have 10% profit target and in the second phase it's 5%. It is similar for instant funding too, but with the add-on you can lower the profit target. Now let's talk about maximum loss. So all of the three prop firms have 10% of the maximum loss, which takes us to the maximum loss is to profit ratio. This ratio helps us to get an idea about how tough or easy the challenge is going to be. The lower the ratio, the easier the challenge will be. So in Finotive, it's 1 is to 1.25, while for Blueberry funded and instant funding, it's 1.5. So comparatively, Finotive is way too easier as compared to Blueberry funded and instant funding. Now let's talk about daily loss. So all of the three prop firms have 5% daily loss limit, which is almost equal. Talking about the minimum trading days, so in Finotive it's 0 days, and in Blueberry funded it's 3 days, and in instant funding it's also 3 days. So minimum trading days means it's the least number of days you need to trade for. Talking about the payout frequency, so in Finotive you are having weekly payout frequency, while in Blueberry funded it's 14 days, that is bi-weekly. And after taking an add-on, you can make it weekly. While for instant funding, it's on-demand payout. So here, instant funding stands out. Talking about the profit split, so Finotive is having 75% profit split, while for Blueberry funded, it's 80%. And in instant funding, it's 80%. And after buying an add-on, you can have it 10% more. So comparatively, Blueberry funded and instant funding seems to be better. Now let's talk about news trading. So in news trading, Finotive allows the news trading, while for Blueberry funded, it is not allowed. And it is similar for instant funding too. But you can have news trading feature enabled after buying an add-on. Talking about the weekend holding feature, so Finotive and Blueberry funded allows it, while instant funding doesn't allow that. But after buying an add-on, you can have this feature enabled too. So here, Blueberry funded and Finotive seems to be better. Now let's talk about consistency rule. So in this rule, the prop firm puts a percentage cap on your single day profit. That your one day profit shouldn't be more than a certain percentage of your overall profit. So here, Finotive is having consistency rule, that is of 25%, which means that your single day profit shouldn't be more than 25% of your overall profit, while there is no such rule for Blueberry funded and instant funding. So in this case, Blueberry funded and instant funding seems to be better. Now let's talk about the broker. So all of the three prop firms are having their own in-house broker. For Finotive, it's Finotive Market. For Blueberry Funded, it's Blueberry Markets, and Instant Funding is also having in-house broker. Now let's talk about the type of account they offer. So all of the three prop firms gives you a simulated account, which means that you will be trading in the simulation. There will not be any real accounts. Now let's talk about the commission in the forex for buying or selling a lot. So in Finotive, you will be charged $4 per lot, while in Blueberry Funded it's $7 per lot. And in instant funding it's $5 per lot. So in the case of commissions, Finotive seems to be better. Now let's talk about the spread. So all of the three prop firms offer you raw spread, but comparatively, Blueberry Funded is having quite a tight spread. Now let's talk about the leverage. So in Finotive, it's 1:100, while in Blueberry Funded, it's 1:50, and in instant funding, it's 1:100. So if you're a scalper, then Finotive and instant funding will suit you the best. Now let's talk about the trading platform. So in Finotive, they offer you MetaTrader 5, and in Blueberry Funded, you get a little wide option, that is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, DXTrade, and TradeLocker. While for instant funding, they offer you MetaTrader 5, C-Trades, and MatchTrader. Talking about the fee structure, so Finotive is asking for $744 for a 100k account, while in Blueberry Funded, you have to pay $500 for a 100k account, and in instant funding, they are asking for $549 for a 100k account. So comparatively, Blueberry seems to be a cheaper option with a high commission and lower leverage. But it always depends on your trading style that which prop firm suits you the best. So always do your own thorough research according to your trading style and your psychology. So traders, this was it. I hope this side-by-side comparison helped you understand the key differences between Finotive Funding, Blueberry Funded, and Instant Funding's two-step challenge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And also, drop your comment or questions into the comment below. Meet you in the next video. Till then, happy trading!